Okay, it's 3 o'clock. I have a surfer out there, so you can see how big the waves are getting. They're supposed to get 15 to 18 foot, but look, if you can see the fella way out there, it gives you a little bit more of a tool in which to measure how big the waves really are, you know. Supposed to hit landfall, still looking like it's hitting the mouth of the Mississippi. I'm going to have to go get my dog out of the kennel. He'll freak out during a storm. And you just never know. I don't want him in a kennel. I'd rather have him up here illegally in the condo with me. Don't let my mother know. It's pretty breezy out there too. But nobody's evacuating. Nobody's, you know, they moved. They were prepared. Everybody got all the patio furniture and all off because, you know, we're waterfront. But it's been downgraded. But look how far that water's coming up already. It's almost reached the dock. Looks like the tourists are staying off the beaches too. You know, normally some idiots will go swimming in it, you know, that can't swim, and, you know, naturally they drown or somebody drowns trying to rescue them, you know. And tourist season's over, so that's really good. And you put the surfers out there, they know what they're doing. Oh my God, he actually caught a wave and he's riding, oh, there he went. Whoa. Riding waves in Destin, Florida.